How to crop videos in Premiere Pro. Okay, the first method is to go to Effects. Now look for Crop and drag the crop effect onto the video. Now go to Effect Controls and you'll be able to control where you want to crop the video from here. Left, top, right, and bottom. If you want to animate the crop, let's say from the left, simply click the stopwatch. Now move the playhead to where you want the crop to end and select it like this. Now press play and see your animation. Perfect. Now for the second method, we won't need the crop effect. We simply need to go to opacity here, click the free draw vizier. Now make sure your video is at a 25 or 10% zoom and select 4 points outside of the video. Now simply drag and move these points to make a custom crop on your video. And that's how you crop videos in Premiere Pro. If this video was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe.